How to add music to Instagram stories. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add music to your Instagram stories. So this is a really easy way to make better stories on Instagram, and they have tons of music available that you can use. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, make sure we're logged in, and then swipe from left to right. And this will slide over to where, as you can see in the bottom menu, it says story. From there, we can create the base of our story. I'm just going to take a picture. And then once we have the background of our story created, what we need to do is go up into the top where you see the icons, and you want to select the sticker icon. It's to the right of the A's. Select that. And then in this list, you want to find and select music. If you don't see it in the stories at the top, you can just go to the top and search music. And then it should come up. Go ahead and select it. And then in here, we can select what song we want to include in our story. Now they have tons available that are recommended for you. You can also browse, and then there's a song and you're not seeing it in the list, you can go up and search as well. You can search artists and songs as well. And once you find the song you want to use in your story, go ahead and select it. It'll open it up, and as you can see, it starts displaying the actual lyrics on your story as well. So first at the top, you can select the colors to go through and cycle between different colors for the lyrics. At the bottom, we can select the time frame that we want to include in our story. And then as you can see on the timeline here, it has some red dots. Those are going to be popular spots in songs. So if I go over select that one, it'll move to that. To the left of the timeline, you can see the time there. We can choose how long we want this audio clip to be, all the way up to 15 seconds. Then to the right of the timeline, you have a stop and play button. And above that, we can change not only the font of the text as well, and the way it looks. We can also remove the text by selecting the icons to the right, so you can have just an icon with the album art and the name of the song, or a bigger one with a larger album art. Once you have your Instagram story music configured the way you want it, select done, and then you can post your story just as you would any other story by selecting at the bottom. I'll select your story, and then it will post it real quick. And there you go, I posted a story that has music playing. All right, so that's how you add music to an Instagram story. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.